So I got my shovels under there. If I can get, you know, almost 4 feet loose, then I can kind of wiggle some of those out of there and get that row out. You got to kind of fight it a little bit until you get some sort of rhyme or reason. Your system, you'll get it. You'll get it. Let's just do a little bit more here. I got my flat bar upside down, so it's got this pushed up. So I got this full one off the floor, so now I should be able to wedge that out of there. That. Get that up high enough, and I can wedge that one down below, like that. It's all about your leverage. See, I got that one below, so now I can take that one out. So you just work on it. By little, right? Little by little. Off the floor now. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going so I can get this middle section out of here. Once I get the middle, obviously, then it will be easier to get the sides and the sides over here and into the bathroom and all that. Keep it going. You're doing it. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.